Hi everybody, a good Sunday evening to you. Thanks so much for joining us. A very, very hot day across the basin for today. In fact, out at Midland International, reaching the upper 90s, 97 degrees, just a few degrees away from the century mark. Didn't reach that though, 3 degrees above seasonal average, well away from the record set last year of 108 degrees. Not too bad as we started off your Sunday. Dropped to 69 degrees, 1 degree away from seasonal average there. No official rainfall for today, so for the year, we're still sitting at 4.66 inches, and we're about 0.66 inches below normal for this time of year. Temperatures outside right now to the upper 80s, 88 degrees, the south wind at 12 miles an hour. Dew point is in the 50s, right at 55, so humidity at 32%. We'll take a look at the pinpoint weather. Time lapse earlier today out in Fort Stockton, where we saw partly cloudy skies and even an isolated thunder shower right there, kind of passed very quickly over the Stockton Plateau. Overall, a very nice day as those clouds continue to push off towards our south and east, and we're under partly to mostly clear skies right now. Again, we're at 88 degrees into the upper 70s down in Big Spring, even San Angelo into the lower 70s in rain-cooled region right now. 79 for our friends in Marfa, 73 for our friends in southeastern New Mexico around Ruidoso. And again, still have a moderate breeze out there, anywhere from the east, southeast winds at about 15 to 20 miles an hour. Big Spring being the exception. You folks are having a sustained wind right now at 24 miles an hour, and these are expected to die down just a little bit as we head into the overnight hours. So on the surface right now, you can see not a whole lot going on, just a few high clouds around the region right now. Most of the thunderstorm activity starting to push off into the hill country, into portions of San Antonio, and that's where that will continue to stay as we lose the daytime heating of the day. We're going to continue to see that start to fizzle out. So we have high pressure that will remain in control of our region. That is going to promote very hot temperatures for tomorrow. But the good news is that this high pressure system will start to move towards the west, and that's going to open up the Gulf of Mexico. So real quick, going to show you the Gulf of Mexico satellite, as we do have a tropical wave down towards the Caribbean and the Bay of Campeche that's going to still filter in some very nice moisture into the state of Texas right now. So not anything to be concerned about, but again, it is hurricane season, so we're going to be watching the tropics, making sure that this doesn't form in anything, and we'll be sure to inform you if it does. So in the morning, we'll expect mostly clear skies, just a couple of high clouds lingering around the area, but as we get towards the heating of the day, most of that will fizzle out. We're looking for mostly sunny skies all across West Texas, but again, that one exception to get those storms is going to be around Marfa, Alpine. You folks, especially around the Presidio River Valley, going to see that opportunity to see some showers and thunderstorms for you folks. Other than that, we're looking for mostly clear skies. So we'll drop to an overnight low right at about 73 degrees for us here, 72 in Big Spring, Marfa. Again, you'll be the cool spot. Pecos checking in at 70 degrees. Pinpoint weather 7-day forecast. Again, very hot tomorrow. Outdoor activity, get that water ready because you will need it. It's going to be very hot. 102, 96 on Tuesday, and then on Wednesday for the official start of summer, going to be pretty nice. Temperatures getting into the lower 90s as we start to get some of that tropical moisture from the Gulf of Mexico into the area. We'll look for partly cloudy skies. 92 on Thursday as well, 91 on Friday, and the weekend doesn't look too bad right now, Mike. 93 on Saturday, 97 on Sunday. The good news is no triple digits.
Goodness gracious, 102 on Monday. That's no way to start the day.
You know, for the official first week of summer, I should say, I don't think we should expect any difference.
All right, we'll stay with that.
Yes.
Thank you, Juan.